Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from Cash App to crypto. So first is open the Cash App application on your smartphone and log into your account. On the home screen, look for the Bitcoin tab, BTC symbol, at the bottom or the main screen. Just tap on the Bitcoin symbol to access the crypto section. If you don't have enough funds in your Cash App balance, you'll need to add some. So to do that, tap on the Balance tab, select Add Cash and enter the amount and confirm by tapping Add. After adding funds, return to the Bitcoin section and tap on Buy to purchase Bitcoin. Enter the amount of money you want to use to buy Bitcoin. And then after you do that is you just have to confirm the purchase by following the on-screen instructions, including entering your PIN or using Touch ID. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Cash App into crypto. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!